Hello Kindergarten 1 friends! How are you today? Today Miss Ninda has a new story for you. The story is about a boy who likes to help his mom. Do you like to help your mom? Well, let's watch and listen to the story. Henry helps with laundry. Written by Pat Bracken. Illustrated by Ailey Busby. Everybody in Henry's family wears clothes. Mom likes to wear boots and a skirt. Dad likes to wear pants and a sweater. Penny likes to wear pajamas. And Henry likes to wear green shorts and his octopus t-shirt. Sometimes clothes get dirty. Then it's time to do laundry. It's a laundry day, Mom tells Henry. Will you help me? Yes, Henry says. Henry is a good helper. While Mom turns on the washing machine, Henry sorts the clothes. He puts the white clothes in one pile. He puts the dark clothes in another pile. Mom pours the soap in. Henry puts the clothes in. After Mom closes the lid, Henry sees Penny's pajamas on the floor. Wait, Mom! He yells. Don't forget to wash these. Finally, the clothes are dry. Mom folds the clothes. Henry carefully puts them into piles. Dad's clothes go in Dad's dresser. Mom's clothes go on Mom's shelves. And Penny's clothes go in Penny's room. Henry puts his clothes in his room. What a good helper! Okay, now Miss Ninda wants to ask you some questions. Are you ready? What is the name of the boy in the story? What does he likes to wear? What does Henry do when his clothes and his family clothes get dirty? Does Henry wants to help her mom to do the laundry? Who likes to help your mom with the laundry? Can you raise your hand? Do you think Henry is a good boy? Why? Do you want to be like Henry? Okay, friends, this is the end of our story today, and I see you again in the next story. Bye-bye!